Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to troubleshoot common problems with electric pallet jacks. Electric pallet jacks are powerful equipment for moving heavy loads in warehouses, but they can experience problems from time to time. We'll cover the most common issues and provide step-by-step solutions, so let's get started. One of the most frustrating problems with electric pallet jacks is when they don't turn on or have no power. This can happen for several reasons, but the most common one is related to the battery. Here are some things you can check if your electric pallet jack has no power. If your battery drains quickly or doesn't last as long as it used to, it might be due to aging, overcharging, or deep discharging. To prevent this, you should always follow the manufacturer's instructions on charging and maintaining your battery. Also, avoid leaving your electric pallet jack unplugged for long periods of time, as this can damage the battery. If your battery doesn't charge at all, it might be due to a faulty charger, a loose connection, or a blown fuse. To fix this, you should check the charger and ensure it's plugged in properly and working. You can test it with another device or use a multimeter to measure the voltage output. If the charger is fine, check the connection between the charger and the battery and make sure there are no loose wires or corrosion. Also, check the fuse on the battery and see if it's blown. If the fuse is blown, you can replace it with a new one of the same rating. If your battery leaks acid or water, it might be due to overcharging, overheating, or physical damage. This can be very dangerous and harmful for your electric pallet jack and yourself, so you should handle it cautiously and wear protective gloves and eyewear. Dispose of the leaking battery properly as per the local regulations. However, to prevent this issue in the future, always use a compatible charger and avoid exposing your battery to extreme temperatures or impacts. Another common problem with electric pallet jacks is when they won't move or have reduced speed or power. This can happen for several reasons, but the most common ones are related to the motor, the brakes, or the wheels. Here are some things you can check if your electric pallet jack won't move. If your motor doesn't work or makes strange noises, it might be due to a faulty switch, a bad connection, or a worn-out part. To fix this, you should first check the switch and make sure it's in the right position and not damaged. Check the wiring and connections between the motor and the battery, and make sure there are no loose or broken wires. Inspect the motor thoroughly and see if there are any signs of wear or damage on the brushes, bearings, or gears. If any parts are worn out or damaged, you should replace them with new ones. If your brakes don't work or are stuck, it might be due to a faulty solenoid valve, a low fluid level, or a worn-out pad. Check the solenoid valve and make sure it's working properly and not leaking. Also, inspect the brake pads and see if they're worn out or damaged. If your wheels don't turn or are hard to steer, it might be due to a flat tire, a bent axle, or a dirty bearing. Make sure the wheels are inflated properly and not punctured or damaged. You should also check the axles and ensure they're not bent or broken. Clean and lubricate the bearings and ensure they're not clogged or seized. If the electric pallet jack lifting mechanism doesn't work or has reduced height or capacity, this could be because of several reasons, such as low hydraulic fluid, faulty pump, damaged piston, worn-out seals, bent, cracked, or overloaded forks. Inspect and diagnose each issue and consult with a professional technician to resolve them. Electric pallet jacks malfunction when one or more of their electric components fail. Here's how to deal with this issue. If your wires are loose, they may not be able to transmit the electric signals properly. To fix this problem, you may need to tighten the wires or replace them if they're broken. If your terminals are corroded, they may not be able to conduct the electric current properly. Clean the terminals or replace them if they're damaged. If switches are faulty, they may not be able to turn on or off the electric functions of your pallet jack. Replace your switches or have them repaired by a professional. If your sensors don't work or give wrong readings, it might be due to a faulty sensor, a bad connection, or a dirty lens. To fix this, carefully check the sensor performance and make sure it's working properly and not damaged. Check the wiring and connections between the sensor and the controller and ensure there are no loose or broken wires. Clean and calibrate the sensor and make sure it's not dirty or misaligned. Another common problem with electric pallet jacks is when they make unusual noises that indicate something is wrong with them. Strange noises often indicate mechanical issues. These noises can come from different parts of the electric pallet jack and have different causes and solutions. It could be anything from worn-out bearings to loose components. A thorough inspection is essential. Here's how you can diagnose them. If your parts are not lubricated enough, they may create friction and noise. To fix this problem, lubricate your parts regularly or use a better quality lubricant. If your parts are not aligned properly, they may rub against each other and create noise. In this case, you may need to adjust your parts or have them aligned by a professional. If your parts are worn out or damaged, they may create noise and vibration. Once identified, replace your broken parts or have them repaired by a professional. Electric pallet jack error codes are signals displayed on the control panel to alert you of specific problems that require the operator's attention. These codes vary between manufacturers and models, commonly indicating issues like battery problems like low charging faults or leaks, motor or controller malfunctions that affects movement or lifting functions, hydraulic system issues like low fluid levels, air in the system, or faulty components, electrical component failures like loose wires, damaged switches, or overheating. Refer to your user manual or manufacturer's guide to decipher these codes and address the underlying issue. If you're unsure of the problem or unable to resolve it yourself, seek assistance from a trained technician. Now that we've covered the common problems, let's discuss the various parts that can help solve your electric pallet jack issues. A new battery, battery discharge indicator, a compatible charger, charging cables, drive motor, wheels, hydraulic components such as seal kits, a new pump, piston, etc. Main control wiring harness, emergency switches, fuses, and more. Remember, before replacing any parts, it's essential to identify and diagnose the specific problem with your electric pallet jack. Consult the manufacturer's manual or seek professional assistance if needed. Troubleshooting electric pallet jack issues doesn't have to be complicated. By following the steps and solutions we've discussed, you'll be able to identify and resolve common problems with electric pallet jacks with ease. Additionally, regular maintenance and inspection can prevent many issues and extend the lifespan of your valuable equipment. Partner with a reliable provider like Pallet Jackson for expert support and keep your electric pallet jacks humming along for years to come. At Pallet Jackson, we understand the intricacies of electric pallet jacks. We offer a wide range of high-quality parts and accessories for electric pallet jacks, along with expert guidance and support. Our team is committed to helping you solve your pallet jack problems quickly and efficiently. Check the links in the description to browse our website for premium quality electric pallet jack parts. If you need personalized consultation, email us at info@palletjackson.com or call us at 832-239-5393. We are available Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's it for today's video on electric pallet jack troubleshooting. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.